Looks like the speed is starting to even out some. So we're at 60, we were at 30 miles an hour. So this tells me the whole traffic scene has slowed down some, and we're analyzing how fast is a reasonable speed. So if you are a beginning driver, less than 10 years, you are saying to yourself, why is everyone driving so slow? If you're someone over 10 years, you're saying it's wet outside, I want to be safe. So now the speed is starting to pick up again because people are starting to get brave. I'm going to get over one lane to the left. So if you don't understand driving in the rain, driving in an expressway, you're going to drive as fast as possible. There's going to be a huge traffic backup. Then you're going to rear end someone and you're going to get hit. That 10-year window of experience is going to help you understand that you need to be smooth. You can't go over 70 or 75 because you will simply lose control. And another tip, you need to analyze who is by you. Is it a younger driver, 10 years or less? Is it a driver 10 years or more? Is it someone with a sports car, a fast SUV? People tend to drive based on the time, the traffic scene, and the elements they have to deal with. You can look at the scene now. We're really smooth. There are big gaps. It looks like things have evened out, but we still have 20 miles to go to get to downtown Houston, downtown Detroit, downtown LA. So you can't get too excited when you see this huge traffic scene and people are moving pretty good, because it takes one car to slam brakes and then we have a multi-car collision. I'm lifting my foot because you can see the gaps or the spaces of the cars slowing down. So you want to be safe by staying at a good speed, and you have to balance safety with making good time on the expressway.